Introducing the LCG AJ Series fiber laser, available in 3 kilowatt, 6 kilowatt, and 9 kilowatt models. The LCG AJ utilizes Amada's proven fiber laser technology that allows a variety of material types and thicknesses to be processed efficiently. An innovative motion system and advanced structure design allow the LCG AJ to balance cut speeds and positioning acceleration with maximum accuracy. Amada is the world's first manufacturer to design its own fiber laser source. The AJ fiber engine is capable of cutting materials such as copper, brass, and titanium, while processing common materials with speeds up to 4 times faster than a comparable CO2 laser. Individual laser diode modules are combined to send the laser through a single fiber cable directly to the cutting head. This beam delivery system eliminates the need for additional external mirrors. Compared to the previous generation, this fiber engine utilizes fewer laser diode modules to achieve the desired laser power. The reduction in modules results in greater efficiency and simplifies the overall design of the fiber engine. Amada's fiber laser cutting systems do not require laser gas or mirrors to generate the laser beam. This helps to significantly reduce operating costs and machine maintenance. The high-speed drive system on the LCG AJ, combined with a newly designed carriage, allows for better cutting acceleration with improved accuracy. Helical rack and pinion drives allow for higher torque motors to achieve smoother and quicker acceleration than previous drive systems. The LCG AJ features a fully interlocked enclosure that surrounds the entire cutting area with access for part removal. Automatic assist gas selection chooses the proper assist gas without operator intervention. Multiple assist gases, including oxygen, high-pressure nitrogen, compressed air, and one of Amada's nitrogen generation systems, can be connected to the machine at the same time. The machine's control will select the gas based on the cut condition selected for processing. The high-speed laser head has a fast sensing processor to allow for the increased feed rates and enhanced height sensing control. The cutting head also features a one-touch cartridge style lens holder, allowing for quick setups between different materials. No tools are required to exchange the lens cartridge. To further increase machine's productivity, the LCG AJ is equipped with a 4-station nozzle changer. In less than a minute, the current nozzle is cleaned and a new nozzle is selected and calibrated. This process is performed automatically based on the cut condition selected on the machine's control. To control all of the machine's functions, the LCG AJ is equipped with the AM-NC 3i touchscreen control. The large 21.5-inch touchscreen allows users to efficiently visualize and perform tasks on this control. It can connect to your company's network and easily retrieve programs generated offline. Thumbnail views of parts and nets provide for quick and easy identification. With the fast cutting speeds achieved by the LCG AJ, material handling is essential to realize full machine potential. Amada offers a variety of modular automation options that can be configured according to your specific operational needs. All systems are designed to help maximize machine productivity and increase profits by reducing lead time and processing costs. Visit us online to learn more about the LCG AJ Series fiber laser cutting system and our full line of innovative manufacturing solutions.